Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Elamor door lock is not accepting the codes, acting strangely, or you want to erase the old user access, then this video is going to show you how you can first of all reset and then reprogram the lock from the scratch in 2026. So first of all, you need to start by keeping the door open, as well as you need to make sure that it is unlocked throughout the entire process. Now, once both of these steps are done, you need to simply remove the battery cover. And when you remove the battery cover, you will find a reset button, or it should be with the name set, or it can be set as set button or a reset button inside the battery compartment. So you need to simply press and hold this particular reset button for at least 5 to 10 seconds until you hear several beeps or until you see the indicator light flash. So this restores the lock to the factory settings, and it will also remove all of the stored user codes. After the reset finishes, the lock will return to its default programming state. Now, once it is in the reprogramming state, you can then start adding the new user code. For that, you need to create your own master code, and most of the Elamor locks uses a factory default master code, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you just have to simply use this particular code, and then you just have to start entering or start creating your new user code. Many of the Elamor locks allow multiple user codes. That makes it easy for you to provide access to your family members, to your guests, and the service providers. So the user code can be between 6 to 10 digits depending on the model. So when you are done entering your new user code over here, you just have to simply save the code, and then you need to also test it immediately in order to confirm whether the lock is now working properly again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.